You search for how to buy shares of Axfood AB, so here is a concise, step-by-step guide. Axfood is a Swedish grocery retail and wholesale group listed on CBOE under the ticker AXFO.ST. This is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as the example to show the process. After registering, you'll need to verify your account with an identification document and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker AXFO.ST to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Axfood AB to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company summary, recent news, and the price chart to confirm it represents Axfood AB. Make sure the ticker shows AXFO.ST and that the business description matches grocery, retail, and distribution. Tap, invest, or trade. Enter the amount you want to allocate and choose your order type, then carefully review the details before confirming the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your Axfood position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example link and more resources, check the description below.